So we're about to go through this question which was sent in by a student today. Remember, if you find this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a like. And don't forget to follow or subscribe to stay up to date with our future videos. Okay, let's go through it. Here's the question on the virtual whiteboard. Now I've changed the layout slightly to make it a little easier to read on smaller screens. Hopefully this will help. Okay, so here's the question. It says, the diagram represents a rectangular garden of a length 10 meters and a width 8 meters. So we know the length is 10 meters and we know the width is 8 meters. It also says the flower bed is a triangle and the patio is a trapezium. And the rest of the garden is a lawn. So we know all this space in the middle here is the lawn, and we need to work out the area of that lawn. So the way I would start a question like this is I would do all of this, the whole rectangle, subtract the area of the flower bed and the area of the patio, and that would leave me with the area of the lawn in the middle. So we know that we're going to have to work out the area of all the shapes: the rectangle, the triangle, and the trapezium, and then we can use those to work out the area of the lawn. So let's start with the area of the rectangle. So how do you work out the area of a rectangle? What's the formula? The formula for the area of the rectangle is length multiplied by width. And we're told the length and the width in the question. It's 10 meters by 8 meters. So the length is 10, the width is 8, so the area is 80 meters squared. And that bit's fairly easy. Now let's work out the area of the flower bed. The flower bed is this space here. So we know it's a triangle. So what is the formula for the area of a triangle? It's half the height multiplied by the width. So the height is 6, so that's 6 over 2 multiplied by the width, which is 2. And working that out, 6 divided by 2 is 3, multiplied by 2 is 6 meters squared. And that's the area of the flower bed. Now, let's do the area of the patio, which is this space here. And we're told it's a trapezium. So what is the area of a trapezium? How do we work it out? Well, the formula is a half the height multiplied by brackets a plus b. So the height is fairly easy, but a and b. A is the length of the top side, and b is the length of the base. So let's start with the height. Well, we know the height. The height is 8. It tells us. So that's 8 over 2. What about a and b? Well, the top side is 3, so that's a. And the base is 5, so that's b. And then we work this out. So 8 over 2 is 4, multiplied by 3 plus 5 is 8, which makes 32 meters squared. Okay, so now we've got the area of all the shapes. We've got the area of the rectangular garden. We've got the area of the flower bed. And we've got the area of the patio. Now, what did we say earlier? If we take the area of the rectangular garden and subtract the area of the flower bed and the area of the patio, that'll leave us with the lawn. And we've worked all these numbers out. we know the area of the rectangle is 80 meters squared. So let's write that down, 80. What about the flower bed, the triangle? Well, that's 6. We've worked that out already. So that's 6. And the area of the patio is 32. And now let's work this out. So 6 plus 32 is 38. And 80 subtract 38 is 42 meters squared. And that is the area of our lawn. And that is all it takes. The key skills which I used in this question were area of a rectangle, area of a triangle, and area of a trapezium. If you want to learn any of these topics in a lot more detail, I offer one-to-one private tutoring. Visit my website www.skittles.school to book a free demo lesson. If you found this video helpful, a like would be awesome. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'm trying to make one of these videos every day. So, until the next one, keep learning and keep being awesome.